Today's recipe is red lentil dal with tadka using some spices and some veggies. So welcome to Healthy Food for All. Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have some red lentils, then I have sea salt, some green chillies, garlic, ghee, coriander, some tomatoes, and then some Indian spices. Let's take 100 grams of red lentils. 100 grams of it contains 96 kilocalories, 7.8 grams of protein and 6.1 grams of fiber. Let's take a steel pressure cooker. But before that, let's wash the lentils for 2 to 3 times to remove any dirt or impurities. Let's pressure cook the lentils by adding half a liter of water. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes and green chilies, and it is always important to wash your vegetables in running water. Tomatoes are rich in potassium and lycopene, are good for heart health and are very good for skin. We'll cut them into small chunks. Green chilies are rich in vitamin C, act as an antioxidant and are good for digestion. We'll slit them in between and cut them into half. Here I'm adding the tomatoes and the green chilies into the pressure cooker. Here I have my Indian spice box. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then sea salt to taste. And let's pressure cook the lentils for 8 to 10 minutes on high heat. Let's chop some garlic. It has antibacterial properties, promotes heart health, regulates blood pressure. Now how many you want to add depends entirely on you. Let's chop a couple of green chilies. These are from the Green Grocers range of Morrison's. They are pretty hot and spicy, very good for Indian cooking. Let's chop a handful of coriander. It is very good for gut health, improves digestion and promotes skin and eye health. So here I have the garlic, green chilies and coriander ready for the tadka and the seasoning. Garlic gives immunity and flavor. Green chili is rich in vitamin C and aids metabolism. Coriander has cooling effects and acts as an antioxidant. And now, let's add some flavor and function to the recipe, the tadka. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add a pinch of asafoetida, then 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them sizzle. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin and then some turmeric. All these spices are anti-inflammatory, are good for digestion, are anti-bloating and have a lot of minerals. Here I'm adding the chopped garlic and the green chilies. Let them cook for a few minutes. You can see the dal is cooked now. I often modify my recipes to make them quick, easy and healthy and to save some time and energy. Now I'll add the tadka to the dal. Give it a good mix. Here's a nutrition fact for you. Proteins are made up of 20 amino acids, out of which 9 are essential amino acids. A food that has all 9 essential amino acids is called a complete protein. Many plant foods, like lentils and beans, are incomplete proteins. That is, they lack 1 or more essential amino acids. But here's the magic. When you combine different incomplete proteins, example rice and dal, Together, they provide all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Finally, garnish the dal with coriander. Your best bet would be to trust your traditional recipes, as they have been curated with a lot of wisdom. So next time anybody tells you that rice is not good for you, or for that matter carbs are not good for you, just ignore them. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.